Hello everyone, with the CAT 2025 response sheets out, time score calculator is live now. So let us quickly take a look at how we can access it and make use of it. So in order to use it, we have to first go to the T.I.M.E website. So once you are on the T.I.M.E website, you can see a banner. So let's click on the banner. So once you click on the banner, you'll be seeing this page. First you have to log in from here. I'll click on the login button. Once you click that, it will ask for the details. If you are a T.I.M.E student, you can log in from here as well. If you are not a T.I.M.E student, you can access our tool using by signing in through Google. So let's just sign in. So you'll have to enter your credentials here and then click on login. You'll be seeing this screen and you can see that it asks for the URL link. So you'll get the URL link from your CAT official website. All you have to do is log into your CAT official website using the credentials, and then you can open the response sheet and it looks something like this. So the file, you don't need the file, you only need the URL link that is present in the address bar. So copy the URL link, come back to our tool and paste it in the input box. So and then click on submit. So once you click on submit, you will instantly see your score section wise and overall. And you will also see that the number of questions attempted, the number of correct questions and the number of incorrect questions, and also the number of incorrect MCQs, both overall and section wise. So let's just see what else is there. You can also see the question wise details, wherein you'll have what questions are answered correctly and what questions are answered incorrectly, and you'll also see the details of the questions that are skipped. So and you'll see this both sectional wise and also overall wise. So let's just go back to the overview and we can see that there's also something called attempt percentage, which is the number of attempts you have attempted as a percentage of the total number of questions, both section wise and overall wise. And you also have the accuracy percentage, which is the number of correct questions answered as a percentage of the attempts, both overall and sectional wise. You have your complete scores with you. T.I.M.E percentile predictor and T.I.M.E call predictor will be live soon, with which you can predict your most accurate percentiles and as well as the most likely B school calls using the call predictor. So stay tuned and thank you.